David Philp Commercials is a family business founded in the 1970s as a panel shop offering maintenance, accident and mechanical repair services for commercial vehicles. Now established as a market leader, offering a comprehensive range of state-of-the-art services to maintain and repair a full range of commercial vehicles from their purpose-built premises in East Calder. The company's commitment to high-standard customer care, quality workmanship along with continuous investment in technology has led to creation of a strong customer base and recognition within their industry. Approved by the major insurance companies means vehicles from all over the UK being sent for repair to the East Calder operation. To maintain this exceptional standard of service depends on a team of highly skilled staff and recruitment of staff with necessary skills. To achieve this, an apprenticeship programme has been established to fill the skills gap, and each year the company recruits an additional 2 apprentices and trains them in the skills it demands. Current premises have now reached capacity, and to accommodate planned increased operational capacity, a 3-acre adjacent site has been acquired. There has also been a significant investment in new equipment, including a sandblast recycling system, the only one in Scotland. The system will reduce costs associated with sandblasting vehicle components to extend their operational life and has a positive environmental impact, reducing the amount of sand required for this process. An additional 10 staff, including apprentices, will be recruited as part of the expansion. The company is also working on a new innovative coating for commercial vehicles. This product will have significant potential in home and export markets, presenting a new opportunity to grow the business. David Philp Sr.'s ambition and enthusiasm was the driving force which developed this business into a highly regarded and nationally recognised repairer of commercial vehicles, an achievement recognised in November 2012 by the commercial vehicle repair industry with a Lifetime Achievement Award. It is this exceptional legacy carried on by the Philp family which continues to develop and grow the industry reputation and operation of David Philp Commercials Limited.